Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down, click on Recent next to App Notifications and select the best option for you. I will go with Frequency. Last but not least, click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just select one of your apps on the left and then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!